As a superior cleaning solution for busy facilities, Larson Electronics far UV linear fixtures address the limitations of traditional sanitation methods. These far UV excimer lamps are eye and skin safe, which allow the units to be used safely in occupied areas without protective gear. The germicidal far UV 222 nanometer beams generated by these lights cannot penetrate the skin and does not damage the cornea. This unique feature ensures people in occupied areas are not harmed by the fixtures, as the units continuously sanitize the room. Other benefits of far UV excimer lamps include ozone-free, mercury-free, instant on, and low heat output. The 222 nanometer sanitation fixtures in this series are made in the USA and come in a variety of sizes, lamp configurations, mounting styles, and sensors. Customers can choose models based on the sanitation requirements of their facility. A durable 2-layer powder coating protects the aluminum housing on the lights from rugged elements such as moisture and debris. These far UV eye and skin safe lights are in stock and ready to ship immediately. Check out our selection at larsonelectronics.com. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.